So folks, welcome back to Gunline. We're going to get into the girls a little bit today. It's been a while since we gotten in them. Weather, work, all that. Mostly the rain. We ain't had time to get in nobody, but let's say it's been about 3 weeks. We're going to see what's happening in them. Hopefully the beetles are at bay, but we ain't gonna know till we get in them. We're gonna start into, this was the No Name tribe, the Tangin Swarm, but it's officially named Shawnee. Got one woman out here. Oh boy, let me get the beetle back. It's gonna get loud, people. Good night, don't even look at all that. Y'all stand by. Well, that was exciting. Just go to show you folks. Them jokers don't play. We might have to fire the old Beetle Vac 1000 back up again. Yep. Go on, let's pull it off.
Yeah, get them on the lid. They're all of them.
Alright, we'll try this again. I'll probably edit out most of that bad part. The camera's swinging everywhere, beetles is going all over the place. They had them corralled up on that inner cover pretty good. I mean, there was probably several hundred on that run. Sorry, 50. I don't want to church it up. But we're going to rummage through here real quick, check on them, brood, see how the honey situation looking. It's early August, I believe. About the, what's the day? August 6th, 2020. But no, 2022. This is an unscripted. Well, I'm late, as Asai Robertson says. That's late. But it's August of this year. Let me hold this. We're just piddling. This wonky cone, what old Brother Earl calls it there. Some older stuff I guess we put in. Set this here down. Okay. Mm. They're just keeping the house clean, it looks like. Hmm. Yeah. They got them corralled in there. But maybe we can get to a little bit of brood pretty quick here. Mmm. A little honey, pollen, bringing in nectar. Got a little patch of brood on that bunch right there. We'll get a little further into it. Y'all stand by, won't bore you with all that. But we'll get into a little bit of brood. We'll show you what she's doing. We found our queen, but we haven't gotten very much brood. Any of you new beekeepers, she's right there.
The big butt.
Big behind. What's that old saying? There's a whole bunch of comedians out of work. Alright. Like I said, we ain't got into much brood yet. There was one little low patch on that close outside frame, I think that one right there. But y'all stand by. We'll pull these other ones, see what's happening. Okay. We're starting to get a little bit worried, but she's laying. She's doing good. Won't be long, she'll have her another little old batch of babies hatching. Yeah, she's doing good. So we went this frame, last 3 frames pretty much just had very little brood. I'm saying, I don't know, a dozen or so. Wasn't much at all. I was kind of getting worried that something's going afoul with her, but apparently she don't like that side of the hive. It'd be putting her babies. But we're gonna close these little girls up. We know she's doing well. Get the peppermints in them, and we'll move on over here to the Chippewa. See what's happening to them girls. Y'all stand by. Okay, into the Chippewa. Just a couple on this so far. Go, take it off here. Hang on, we're gonna have to fire the back up. You can move them with your thumb down there. Never mind.
They're all in this corner, baby.
You guys are just everywhere, boy. Chaos this morning. Better be quick. Sorry about the jumping around and bouncing around, but just gotta do it. Have to take care of those. Got them. Well, let's move them over. I'm just doing some terrible cameraman work today. We're not professionals, people. Y'all stand by a second. Okay. Let me get in here and this camera focus. Yeah. They bringing in nectar from somewhere. We got feed out for them, but they ain't touching the sugar water. They done the same thing last year. The only thing I can figure, I'm not no expert by no means, but there's probably, I don't know, 250 acres of cotton that's been planted. Probably, it's about 150, 200 yards, huh? But pretty much they planted the fields with cotton this year instead of soybean. Now, like I say, I don't know if they're bringing in all. I know they're bringing the pollen off the cotton, but I do not know about far as any nectar. But far as us being in a dearth, if you will, the dearth was about, I don't know, it lasted about a week. They got on the sugar water, hitting it hard, then it just shut off. And they ain't touched it. There's still 5 gallons we put out a couple days ago, and I guarantee you there ain't been, I ain't seen any bees on it, to be honest with you. But they bringing it from somewhere. Yeah, she got her little old brood there. Let's set this one back in here real quick. Yeah, this bunch seems to be doing fair too. Thank you, Lord. We're gonna sniff around a little bit more and get the peppermints on them. We'll mosey to everybody. Let's see that backside. Yeah. Yeah, she's getting it. Y'all keep it up, ladies. Our fall flow will be here before too long. That beetle got away. Alright, y'all stand by a minute. Okay, into the neighborhood. There's beetles again. Let me get the vacuum. Turn your volume down, people. I had to switch that one. Well. Looks like I still got a little bit of cap honey in this top. This bunch of them got a little fussy. She's like, that's good. That's plenty of smoke. Y'all stand by. Let me pick this one up and get it on. Okay. I think we're going to title this one Chaos in the Yard. Huh? Yeah. We got that bunch taken care of. Beetles galore. I mean, there's just a bunch of them. But got to keep them peppermints in there, people. It'll keep them knocked down. It's just, we ain't been in them. Holy moly. Here goes much more. Loud noises. Look at all that. Y'all stand by. Well, after all that, we finally got down in here to the mother lode. I think the Lord is strong enough. They've been holding them off and corralling them up high, mostly on them inner covers. If I hadn't been doing that, we'd probably be in a sure enough bind. Well, just the nature of the beast. More or less, we just showing y'all what not to do. Alright? If you're a beginner beekeeper, don't do this. Don't wait. Now, you can't help the weather. I'll use that as a partial excuse. Say 3/4, because it has been raining a lot here. But, for the most part, do your inspections. All joking aside. Check them out. Get in there on them. You won't have to worry about dragging your beetle vac out. Suck up 1,000 beetles in an inspection. I exaggerated that number too a little bit, but a bunch of beetles. She's here to correct me on my misinformation, we'll say. and we're gonna get these put back together. We're probably gonna wrap this one up and make a part 2. Yeah.
It's been a long video.
Yeah, because we're going on 17 minutes and some change. To be exact. Those numbers are accurate. But we're going to get them put back together. We'll go check out this little swarm that moved in. We got a box ready for them. Hopefully we can move them up. Then we'll probably wrap this one up. Do a part 2 on the rest of the tribes. Do what? Yeah. Spiders. Watch out for them too. Y'all stand by. Alright y'all. We in the baby tribe, which is now the Blackfoot. Where we're getting these little girls moved over to a bigger box. At least get them some 5 frames in here. She got a pretty good brood, but we have to do some feeding. They ain't got any stores. None at all. Plenty of brood, but no stores. So we'll get these little girls some grub of some kind, sugar water, maybe a little bit of honey or something. We're gonna wrap this one up. Appreciate y'all watching Gunline. Thank you everybody, new subs. God bless you. We'll see you on the next one.